Students, welcome back to another video. Now question is, if sum of all real roots of the equation e power 2x minus 4 into 6 e power 2x minus 5 e power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solution. Given equation is e power 2x minus 4 into 6 into e power 2x minus 5 into e power x plus 1 equal to 0. This can be written as e power x whole square minus 4, 6 into e power x whole square minus 5 into e power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Put e power x is equal to t. This can be written as t square minus 4 into 6t square minus 5t plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. T square minus 4 is t square minus 2 square into, this is quadratic expression, solving this equation, 6t square minus 3t minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a square minus b square form. T minus 2 into t plus 2. In these two terms 3t common, 2t minus 1. 3t into 2t 6t square minus 1 into 3t minus 3t. Here minus 1 common, 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies t minus 2 into t plus 2 into, in this 2, here 2t minus 1 common, 2t minus 1 into remaining terms 3t minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies t minus 2 equal to 0, t plus 2 equal to 0, 2t minus 1 equal to 0, 2t plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. T minus 2 equal to 0 means t equal to 2. Here t equal to minus 2, 2t equal to 1, t equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, here 3t minus 1. Okay. 3t is equal to 1, t equal to 1 by 3. To 2, t equal to minus 2, t equal to 1 by 2, t equal to 1 by 3. T is equal to e power x. E power x equal to 2. E power x is equal to minus 2. E power x is equal to 1 by 2. E power x is equal to 1 by 3. E power x is equal to minus 2 is not defined. This is not defined. Not defined. Okay. E power x is equal to 2. Apply logarithm on both sides. Log e power x base e equal to log 2 base e. X into log e base e is equal to log 2 base e. Log e base e value is 1. X into 1 is equal to log 2 base e. X is equal to log 2 base e. Next, e power x is equal to 1 by 2. Again apply logarithm on both sides. Log e power x base e is equal to log 1 by 2 base e. X into log e base e is equal to 1 by 2 into log 1 by 2. Okay. Log 2 power minus 1 base e. Okay. X into 1 is equal to minus 1 into log 2 base e. Okay. X is equal to minus log 2 base e. Another one, e power x is equal to 1 by 3. Apply logarithm on both sides. Log e base e, log e power x base e is equal to log 1 by 3 base e. X into log e base e is equal to 1 by 3 into, log e 3 power minus, this taking numerator 3 power minus 1 base e. Okay, that is minus 1 into log 3 base e. x into 1 is log e base e is 1 is equal to minus log 3 base e. This implies x is equal to minus log 3 base e. Roots are x value log 2 base e, log minus 2 x is equal to minus log 2 base e, x is equal to log minus log 3 base e. Sum of roots, these three are roots. Sum of roots is equal to log 2 base e plus minus log 2 base e plus minus log 3 base e. Log 2 base e plus into minus minus log 2 base e plus into minus log 3 base e. These two terms cancel. That answer is minus log 3 base e. That's enough. Now another problem. Let f of x be a quadratic polynomial. F of x is a quadratic polynomial such that f of minus 2 plus f of 3 equal to 0. If one of root of f of x equal to 0 is minus 1, one root is given. Okay, then sum of the roots of f of x equal to 0 is, if you find sum of roots. Okay, now solution, let f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus b. Okay, f of x equal to 0 is x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. F of x equal 1 minus 1 is the root of this equation. So f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus b equal to 0. Implies 1 minus a plus b equal to 0. Implies these two terms right side తీసుకుందాం. 1 equal to a minus b. This is equation number 1. Okay, f of 2, f of minus 2 plus f of 3 equal to 0. F of minus 2 plus f of 3 equal to 0. This implies minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b plus 3 square plus a into 3 plus b equal to 0. This can be written as 4 minus 2a plus into minus minus 2 into a 2a plus b plus 9 plus 3a. This is the a. 3a plus b equal to 0. 3a minus 2a is a. b plus b 2b. 4 plus 9 13 equal to 0. a plus 2b is equal to minus 13. This is number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get 1 implies a minus b equal to 1, 2 implies a plus 2b equal to minus 13. Minus minus plus, these two cancel. Minus 3b, minus b minus 2b minus 3b, 13 plus 1 14 implies b is equal to 14 by minus 3. b value is minus 14 by 3. Substitute in equation number 1. 1 implies a minus of minus 14 by 3 is equal to 1 implies a plus minus into minus plus 14 by 3 equal to 1 implies a is equal to 1 minus 14 by 3. A equal to 3 into 1 3. 3 minus 14 by 3. A is equal to minus 11 by 3. A value, B value came. A value, B value substitute in quadratic equation. F of x is equal quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. Substitute in a value and b value. X square minus a value is minus 11 by 3 into x, b value is minus 14 by 3 equal to 0. What is the form of this? Ax square plus bx plus c. Let ax square plus bx plus c form any quadratic equation having two roots. Let alpha comma beta are roots of the equation number 3. Roots of the equation number 3. Sum of roots alpha plus, if you want sum of roots, minus coefficient of x minus of minus 11 by 3 by coefficient of x square 1, that equal to minus into minus plus 11 by 3. Sum of roots is 11 by 3. That's enough. Now another question. If the sum of the squares of the reciprocals of roots alpha and beta of the equation 3x square plus lambda x minus 1 equal to 0 is 15, then 6 into alpha cube plus beta cube whole square is equal to, మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది 6 into alpha cube plus beta cube whole square value. Now solution. Given quadratic equation is 3x square plus lambda x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this equation roots are alpha and beta. Okay, alpha, this is equation number 1. Alpha comma beta are roots of equation number 1. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x minus lambda by coefficient of x square minus lambda by 3. Product of roots alpha beta equal to constant term is minus 1. Constant term by coefficient of x square 3. Alpha plus beta equal to minus lambda by 3. Alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, if we find sum of the reciprocals of root, reciprocal alpha reciprocal is 1 by alpha, beta reciprocal is 1 by beta. Sum of the squares of reciprocal 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. If you want 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is equal to 15, already given. Okay, that implies here LCM is alpha square beta square. Beta square into 1 beta square plus alpha square is equal to 15. A square plus b square formula is, since here a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, using that formula. Okay, alpha plus beta whole square, this implies minus 2 alpha beta in denominator alpha beta whole square is equal to 15. Alpha plus beta value substitute in this expression. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to minus lambda by 3 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value is minus 1 by 3 by minus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 15. This can be written as alpha lambda square minus lambda whole square is lambda square minus into minus by 9 minus into minus plus 2 by 3. This taking this side, 15 into 1 by 9. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. That implies lambda square by 9 is equal to 15 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Square by 9 equal to 15 by 9 minus 2 by 3. This implies lambda square by 9 is equal, here LCM 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 15, 15 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 into 2, 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 by 9, 1. Implies lambda square by 9 equal to 1, which implies lambda square equal to 9. Next, if you find 6 into alpha cube plus beta cube whole square, this can be written as 6 into alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Here a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, 6 into alpha plus beta value is minus lambda by 3, sum of roots whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 by 3 into alpha into beta value minus 1 by 3. Here minus lambda by 3 whole square. 6 is 6 into minus cube is minus lambda cube by 3 cube is 27. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 3 lambda by 3 cancel here. Only lambda by 3. Okay, whole square. In bracket minus lambda by 3 common. Here lambda square by 9 plus 1 whole square. Okay, lambda minus square is plus lambda square by 9. 6 into lambda by 3 whole square. Lambda by 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. Lambda by 3 value is lambda 6 into lambda square by 9. Here lambda square by 9 plus 1 whole square. Lambda square equal to 9. 6 into 9 by 9. 9 by 9 plus 1 whole square. 9 by 9 is 1. 6 into 1 into 1 plus 1 whole square. 6 into 1 into 2 square. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 2 square is 4. That is equal to 24. That is the final answer.